A great website can bring credibility and revenue to your business, project, or brand. However, understanding where to begin can be daunting, especially if this is your first time building your website.
Most people aren't aware of the vast difference between hosted website builders, self-hosted websites on shared hosting, dedicated servers, or a VPS. But all these hosting options come with various monthly fees, ranging from a few dollars to thousands. In order to avoid overspending and get the right hosting for your needs, you need a basic understanding of what to purchase, where to build it, and how it works. That's why we're here with this course, A Guide to Web Hosting.
So in simple terms, web hosting is a digital service that enables others to see and use your website online. It stores your website's text, photos, videos, files, and other data on physical hardware called a server, so that others can access it.
And hosting is very different from a domain name. The domain name is an easy-to-type, custom word or phrase pointing to a set of numbers called an IP address. A domain name makes it easier to remember, like GoDaddy.com. For more guidance on domains, visit our course, A Guide on Domains.
Lessons from this course, A Guide to Web Hosting, will answer your larger questions, like where to build your website and what specific resources you need to have in that hosting plan.
Super important, that's right. We'll explain the simple ingredients you need to create a website and how it all begins with choosing the web hosting where it lives.
Then we'll explore how web hosting works and the different types of hosting, from shared, VPS, and then dedicated platform-specific hosting, like managed WordPress hosting.
We'll move into a discussion about website platforms and website builders to clarify what you're buying when you sign up for web hosting and what you own.
Yes, and then we'll dig deeper into understanding a hosting server's vulnerabilities, how its resources can be limited, and how it's maintained. All of these factors affect performance and security, which is critical to your website.
Very, very critical. And in our final lesson, we'll review the course's big takeaways and show you how to pair your budget, expected web traffic, and the website's primary purpose to choose the best hosting plan for you.
Now, let's start in the next lesson by understanding how web hosting works and what hosting plan is right for your type of website.